2.1. This is the number determining the future of entire countries. More than half the world is below it. This is not just a cultural trend but a major demographic shift. For a stable population, women need to have about 2.1 children. Yet, fertility rates have plummeted, leaving most nations below this critical level. South Korea's fertility rate has sunk to 0.72, the lowest in modern history. If this continues, the population could halve in 2 generations. Demographers warn that below 1.5 leads to the low fertility trap. As societal norms shift, reversing this trend becomes increasingly difficult. The economic implications are dire. As working-age populations decline, fewer young people are available to support an aging society. China's one-child policy led to a dramatic drop in birth rates. For the first time since the 1960s, the population is declining. Housing prices, childcare costs, and student debt all delay financial milestones, leading many to reconsider family size for financial reasons. Today, adulthood lacks a clear path. Higher costs and economic pressures force many to limit family size, shifting childhood expectations. Governments are trying to combat declining birth rates with incentives, but these efforts have seen slow progress due to deep-rooted lifestyle changes. This slow-motion earthquake of demographic change destabilizes systems built on growth, from pensions to housing markets. Policymakers who once worried about overpopulation now face a new reality, a rapidly aging society and a shrinking workforce. Countries experiencing population declines must confront a reality that could reshape economies and labor markets beyond expectation.